By this step, you are living with extraordinary awareness. In one way, we can say we are living in higher awareness, which is subtle. And anything that is subtle in terms of awareness is not touched by the emotional dependence. So once we get that experience, we change. That is what we discussed today. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. This recitation is very common, and when the teacher does it and the seeker listens, majority of the times it deepens our experience, lifts our awareness. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. We'll share our experiences, and if you have any questions, we'll take it up. Bring the mind on the right hand. Experience the change. Bring your mind on the left hand. Experience the change. Here, lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes, open the eyes inside. Know your experiences and bring the hands down. How are you, Sophie?
I'm very good, thank you. I when we start looking at one point and doing Om Shanti and all that, first I felt like all these points of discomfort in my body, and then it switched to becoming very hot.
Good.
Good.
Very good means that
Very good means that
you touch the higher
you
awareness.
touch the higher awareness.
We have sometimes those
We have sometimes those
heat and the cold,
heat and the cold,
the discomfort
the
goes up.
discomfort goes up.
The mind tries to
The
focus
mind tries
somewhere,
to focus somewhere,
but it's good.
but it's good.
How are you, John?
How are you, John?
Okay, Girish, I think I dozed off a couple of times. Sorry about that.
Why too sorry?
Because I should not be dozing off when someone else is speaking.
Oh, that is. But you revealed the secret. Keep dozing off, but don't tell me, so I don't know.
That's right.
I told you a couple of times, but I'm repeating. So when the mind goes inside, three doors are open. One door, you fall down into unconsciousness. That is what the dozing off. Second, you rise in consciousness. Third, the mind opposes strongly. So it invites the bunch of thoughts from the past impression. So in a way, you dozed off, you relaxed. Okay, keep doing it. The time comes when the mind will not fall into unconsciousness. How are you and Hoffman?
Okay.
Huh.
I really felt that my mind emptied completely.
Very good.
Made me very
Feel
calm and
very calm. That's really, when we experience the sense of emptiness of the mind, that also is represented as, or called as, or known as, we are living in higher awareness. But if we live in higher awareness all the time, what a life will be. You see, whether you have something you don't have, how you live into that state. Imagine, John, how are you? How are you, Meet?
I feel at home.
Very good.
I want to stay home.
Yes, if you stay home and that is the desire, it means we have started living into that higher awareness. You understand one point, all of you, that if you hurt your knees, pain is there, but the suffering is not there. You understand that? You hurt your knee, John, so pain may be there, but the suffering is not there. The very suffering is caused by the mind. What happened? Should I go to the doctor? No, it's paining too much. The moment the mind starts thinking of these things, it causes more suffering. So when we live at a higher awareness, the mind is very subtle. It does not convert into a physical mind. A little pain becomes so big. You insulted me 10 years ago? Oh, you still remember. Small pain. Small pain becomes so huge. Now I can see, John, we may take it little easy of those issues by default. It is not that, sometimes the male even cause more problem. So when we say the women are, by default, they are emotional. So 10 years ago, you insulted my father. I cannot forget you. No, he's father-in-law. That's why I insulted. I don't insult any strangers. That happens too much in India. So that is all. Thank you very much. We will meet again next week. Namaste.
I will be away.
Oh, you will be away?
Yes.
From-
Until the end of June.
Oh,
Yes.
and by the end of June. By the end of the June. Okay. In the meantime, we will continue to send all the audio files to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. That is all.
Safe travels.
Yes.
Bye bye.